We all know that managing a team effectively is about more than just checking off tasks. It's about how our people actually feel while they're doing the work. When everyone is on the same page and feels valued, the whole energy of the workplace changes for the better. Today, we're looking at some of the best employee experience platforms out there that help us build that kind of environment. These tools aren't just for HR, they're for making our daily work lives a whole lot smoother. So let's take a look at how they make the whole employee experience better.
Finding a reliable employee app that truly resonates with your team is much harder than it seems, and most of us are fed up with switching between 5 separate platforms just to check schedules or send a quick message. That's why we've picked Pebb today, an all-in-one comprehensive workspace built to connect everyone from the front office to the field within one digital environment. With a diverse customer base ranging from restaurants and hotels to manufacturers with multiple branches and even tech companies, Pebb is trusted by over 10,000 teams worldwide. Their interface is really clean and user-friendly, making it simple to move through core features like spaces, chat, and people. Inside a space, the feed functions like a social wall for engagement, while built-in tools like shifts and clock in manage the heavy work of scheduling and tracking working hours. For structure, the wiki acts as a central knowledge base for training materials. The form section manages essential submissions, and the links feature integrates the tools we already rely on, like Google Workspace and Zoom. Communication runs through a dependable chat system for one-on-one or group messaging, including voice and video calls on mobile. To keep the team aligned, the People section provides a full directory and a simplified time-off request system, while the Analytics dashboard offers a clear view of engagement scores and active user metrics. Overall, we found Pebb to be a simple solution that cuts through digital clutter and keeps everyone responsible without the usual tech frustrations.
Moving right along, we have WorkVivo, and this is a platform that's really gained a lot of momentum since joining the Zoom family. If your goal is to boost engagement and make sure every single person feels like they belong, WorkVivo is a heavy hitter. We see it as a digital heart for the company, where communication flows both ways, not just from the top down. It uses a very social style activity feed that encourages people to interact, post updates, and recognize their teammates' hard work with badges and awards. What we find really impressive is how it handles different types of content. You're not just limited to text posts. You can broadcast live video streams for town halls, or even host company podcasts directly through the app. This is huge for keeping leadership visible and approachable. For those of us managing global teams, the platform can auto-translate content into over 90 languages, so nobody feels left out because of a language barrier. It also digs deep into how people are feeling with its Employee Insights tool, giving us heat maps and summaries of team sentiment. It's a very polished, all-in-one experience that replaces those dusty old intranets with something people actually enjoy opening every morning. Now, if you're working in a large organization where reaching every employee feels like a constant uphill battle, Staffbase is a name you should know. We appreciate Staffbase because it's built specifically to solve the communication gap that often happens in bigger companies, especially those with a lot of blue-collar or non-desk workers. It's designed to be a mobile-first experience, ensuring that a person on a factory floor or delivery route has the exact same access to information as someone sitting in the corporate headquarters. The platform is incredibly modular, so we can tailor it to exactly what our team needs, whether that's a branded employee app, a personalized email newsletter, or a modern intranet. One of the things we find most useful is the ability to target messages. Instead of blasting everyone with every update, you can make sure a safety alert only goes to the specific department it affects. This prevents notification fatigue and keeps the information relevant. Staffbase also puts a big emphasis on data, providing clear analytics so we can see which messages are actually landing and where we might need to improve our reach. It's a very professional, secure, and scalable way to keep a large distributed workforce pulling in the same direction. Taking a slightly different approach, let's look at Blink. We often hear it described as a super app for frontline workers, and for good reason. While some platforms focus on the office experience first, Blink was built from the ground up for the people who aren't sitting at a desk. It acts like a digital front door, giving employees one-click access to everything they need, from their shift schedules and pay stubs to secure group chats and company news. What we really like about Blink is how it removes the friction of daily work. By integrating with the tools we already use, like Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace, it puts all those resources into a single, simple mobile interface. There's no more hunting through 3 different apps just to find a policy or check a schedule. It's a great choice if you want to empower your frontline staff with better tools while also getting a clearer picture of their engagement through the platform's built-in analytics.
Keeping a deskless or field team aligned is never easy. Schedules shift, communication scatters, and management often turns chaotic. Connecteam was designed to solve exactly that. It's an all-in-one mobile-first platform built for non-desk and field teams, bringing everything – time tracking, scheduling, communication, HR, and training – into one easy-to-use mobile app. Instead of switching between multiple tools, Connecteam keeps your entire workforce organized and connected in a single place. Its interface is structured around 3 main hubs: communication, operations, and HR and skills. The communication hub includes chat, updates, and events, which gives teams a fast and reliable way to share updates or make announcements. In the operations hub, features like the time clock with GPS and geofencing ensure accuracy, while the job scheduler automatically checks availability and prevents shift conflicts. The HR and Skills Hub streamlines training, time-off management, and employee recognition. You can create mobile-friendly courses, reward top performers, and manage PTO requests with ease. Everything comes together in the dashboard, where managers can monitor attendance, engagement, and performance metrics in real time. If you are willing to try it out, then they have a free plan for businesses with up to 10 users. In fact, you can get a 14-day free trial with no credit card required. Overall, Connecteam simplifies workforce management, enhances transparency, and helps businesses run smoother, no matter where their employees are working.
In the end, choosing the right platform really comes down to where your team spends most of their time and what your biggest hurdles are right now. No matter if you need the operational power of Connecteam or the culture-building focus of WorkVivo, these tools are here to help you lead more effectively. We'd love to hear which of these sounds like the best fit for your crew, so let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.